Why ClickBank? Making money while you sleep? Is that even possible? Of course! If you're interested or just tired of sweating it out with a 9-to-5 work life, watch this video. We will introduce you to the wonderful world of ClickBank. Thank you for tuning into Saguaro. Smash the like button and subscribe. Click the links below for more information and keep watching, because now we'll show you how ClickBank works. Founded in 1998, ClickBank is considered one of the granddaddies of affiliate marketing. Its prestigious reputation has stood the test of time. With ClickBank, you can make money as an affiliate marketer or even as a vendor. As a vendor, you'll create your own product and set it up using ClickBank's system. Then, list your product on their marketplace for tens of thousands of affiliate marketers to see. ClickBank has a tracking system that uses unique tracking links and cookies. They'll always know exactly where the sales come from, so referring accounts are credited appropriately. Do you want to be an affiliate marketer? Sign up for a ClickBank affiliate account and start browsing their marketplace with all available products from their partner vendors. Once you find your perfect product match, ClickBank will give you a unique affiliate link that will direct you to the vendor's sales page. Then, all you have to do is advise people to buy through that link. You can easily earn commissions for any sales made through your affiliate links. ClickBank is simply a middleman between the product vendors and the affiliate marketers. It handles the hard part, so you don't have to sweat it. ClickBank is one of the most lucrative affiliate programs online because it offers thousands of digital products from ebooks and software to videos. Even physical products like books, DVDs, cosmetics, and fitness equipment are available for your marketing pleasure. Because products are marketed 24/7 online, you can truly earn while you're sleeping. It's not your usual affiliate network. ClickBank stands out from other typical traditional affiliate networks because of these 5 things. 1. It's simple. Sign up in just minutes and start trading without the need for complicated paperwork. 2. Anyone can join. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn the ropes of affiliate marketing. The best thing is, it's free to join. 3. It has a dual feature. While other affiliate networks only offer you to join as a vendor or as an affiliate marketer, ClickBank gives you the option to do both, so you can really maximize your earnings. 4. It offers a wide selection of products. Thousands of amazing affiliate products in every conceivable niche are waiting to be promoted. 5. It has great commission rates. ClickBank pays high commissions, some as high as 75% or more, and they pay fast. There's no need to wait long to receive your commissions. So what are you waiting for? Stop fantasizing about making money when you can literally make money while you're sleeping. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash the like button and subscribe. And check out the links below for more info. It's time to sign up with this time-tested affiliate marketing buddy today.